Hey, what's up everyone? It's me, Beautifully Colored, and I am back with another YouTube video. Today's video is going to be a updated brow routine. I did do a brow routine when I was first starting out YouTube, and it was a little bit struggly. So we're just gonna do it again. This is how I achieve my natural go-to everyday brow, especially in the summertime. I don't necessarily go full glam all the time, and during the day, even if I just want to spruce up my brows, this is the routine that I usually take. But I also will be filming a glam brow routine because everybody has a glam brow and everyone has a regular brow, like a not too much, not trying to do too much. And we're not gonna do too much today. So I'm not gonna keep on talking. Let's just get into the tutorial. Using Colourpop's brow pencil, this is in the color black and brown, I'm going in and I'm filling in any empty spaces that I see. I'm also dragging the brow pencil in the direction that my brows follow, and I'm dragging down the pencil all the way to the tip of my brow simply because I don't have a lot of hair there, so I need to fill in just a little bit extra. Using the spoolie, I like to just brush out my brows, and also it creates more of a natural look for me when I'm not trying to do too much with them. And in the beginning of my brows, I don't like to put a lot of color there. I just normally just brush them out simply because I don't like it to be too boxy. And going in on the other side, I'm also filling in any empty spaces. I do have a scar on my left eyebrow, so it does take a little bit more time for me to fill in this brow simply because a lot of hair doesn't grow in a certain area. But I'm going to do the same thing that I did on the right brow to the left. To clean my brows up, I'm using my HD concealer from NYX. This is in the color Caramel, and I'm just underlining my brows simply because I don't want to overly sculpt them, but I do want them to look clean. So I'm just going in with a Real Techniques flat brush, and I'm just making sure that I blend that out with my finger because when I use my finger, it warms up the product, y'all, and that creates my natural eyebrow look. Now, normally I don't overline my brows when I'm trying to create a natural brow, but in this case I did mess up a little bit, so I'm just taking my flat brush and I'm going over the top of my brow just to make sure nothing is out of place. Okay y'all, so this is the finished look with my eyebrows. I definitely feel like my go-to look is minimal enough compared to what I usually do. I don't like to do too much. This is just my rendition of my eyebrows, and my eyebrows don't take long. They take me about like 5 minutes. Maybe 5 minutes is a little bit too long now that I think about it, but my glam brows take forever. So yeah, let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already so that you don't miss an upload. And also I will be uploading videos on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, so make sure you are staying tuned to the videos and the channel content. Until then, I will see you next time. Bye.